Today, we do not talk about fuel injected vehicles. We are talking more about electric vehicles. So the technology transformation is real, and there are a lot of changes happening in manufacturing. Addressing these new machining challenges, ISCAR, the global leader in cutting tool manufacturers, is organizing LOGIQUICK, where they are going to launch their new cutting tools.
The LOGIQUICK is an innovative product line that we were producing based on the market demand, based on the innovation that is a machine tool builder.
We will introduce a great solution to our customers, starting from the simple semi-finishing operation with indexable inserts up to very precise and fast machining operation with SumoCam and the quick Swicam products.
So it was one of the best events that we visit. It's provide us so motivation to continue development a new solution, to be in the touch with the face-to-face with our customers, with our friends. And for ISCAR, it's one of the most important things to provide additional value to our customers, not just to bring the tools, but to be a most innovative company.
ISCAR India has broken the record today that in metal cutting industry in India, I think we have record participation of customers from across India, more than 1,000 plus customers, channel partners and delegates, they came. I think this is one of the biggest event we have hosted. They were amazed with the products that we have launched for the industry. They were really happy the way we have programmed this event in a big scale. I think this is going to set a benchmark in the industry, and we are really thank you for our customers for taking their time. It is an honor and privilege to host them. This will just start, and we will ensure that the innovation never stops.